Hi day traders and investors. Today is Thursday, August 1. I'm pleased to present you a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. Yesterday, I made a few trading plans before the Fed's policy announcement. Today, I conclude that all of them have been a success. I traded the euro-dollar pair and the pound-dollar pair following the breakthrough strategy. Gold has been trading sliding according to my expectations. It's only the beginning of the slide. The bearish move is sure to continue. Now let's discuss popular instruments on MetaTrader charts. Yesterday, the Federal Open Markets Committee completed its policy meeting, keeping the status quo. The press conference by Jerome Powell was smooth without a burst in volatility. After a pause, markets moved in the same direction they followed before the meeting. As for the economic calendar today, U.S. initial unemployment claims are worthy of note. It makes sense to take notice of U.S. manufacturing PMIs by ISM and S&P 500 Global. Today, gold has tested swing highs. The market is now flooded by speculations about the recent accident in the Middle East. The best option is certainly to invest in gold. It is an obvious decision in turbulent times. Oddly, when the situation is as bland as day, markets trade in the opposite direction. Technically, gold has reached resistance. Well done if you sold gold. The previous bullish trend was oddly smooth, not interrupted by any plunges. In fact, gold had been growing from May until August. Traders are taking the opportunity to buy the metal or assume the price could nosedive soon despite any wars. The swing high has been confirmed. I suggest we could plan short positions with a profit of 3,000 pips. The profit-loss ratio could be 1 to 10. The euro-dollar pair completed a three-wave structure. I drew a bearish trading plan. However, the instrument went up after the Fed's announcement. So I traded against the trend. I sold the instrument at the end of the New York session. My plan was based on breakthrough strategy. The puzzle of the day was the level of 1.0800, which was left untouched. The seller's stop losses were not triggered. I still expect a further downward move. If bullish signals pop up, this level of 1.0800 will be a great buy target. Here you may set your take profit orders. As for the pound sterling, I also had a plan to sell. The pound-dollar pair had a breakout. I found out a few upward targets. They are untouched levels. If I detect bullish signals, which might not happen, I will draw bullish a trading plan with take profits at those levels. The Australian dollar is trading according to the downtrend. If you want to buy the Aussie, I'm looking forward to it. It should be done only if the uptrend is confirmed. We also need a test of a swing low. Now the time is wrong for this trading plan. We should keep this idea in mind. The USCAD pair is drifted higher, approaching a swing high. We may start planning short positions aiming to hit a nice target. There are 2,500 pips from the current level until the target. Wow, we could earn big money. The dollar-yen pair is trading down. The Bank of Japan has eventually raised the key interest rate. The decision caught investors off guard because the yen had already gained ground before the Bank of Japan's rate hike. Curiously, this decision was not so urgent. The Bank of Japan is running out of patience or perhaps lack money for another Forex intervention. I don't have any trading ideas for this instrument. Let's wait and watch the market. That's all for today. Good luck and see you later.